Hi guys, Dev Yamo here on Red for the More Excited with the channel. And I have a challenge to show you guys that I made those days, and I'm really proud of how it is, and I want to show you guys. So if we go to our PC, right here we can see the code of the challenge. And I like to do some observation from the beginning. It said right here that as a bonus, it would be better to do Express server. So that's what I did. And right here we have another bonus that is do the code in Next.JS. And as a third bonus, it is a good CSS. And for that I used styled components. So we can see now what it is that is asked. Right here we can see the code, the website that it is expected for us to do. So right here is the landing page, and let's start the project. First, this project is entirely in my GitHub, and the link for it should be down below if anyone is interested in seeing it. Okay, so we will open the server right here. So now that it is running, we go back and we will open now the Next.js code. And now we have it. So going back to the browser, you can see it running right here. And here it is. As you all can see, it is pretty much the website that they expected. So, and I added a little extra that if you hover the buttons, you can see different. And right here, there is an interesting thing that they asked. If we clicked on the other radio, the CSS code should go to the other one and back. And right here, and now we click back, and it will go as the one is selected. And the interesting part, you don't need to click exactly in the input. I made it so you can click anywhere in the button and the input will be selected. So right here we can see the code. Let's see this model right now. So back to this model, we can see now that I added a hover right here in the close button. That's very interesting, and there is an interesting part right here that they were expected. Is that if we click this button right here, then we should see and stop seeing the password. So 1, 2, 3, and we can see it. but clicking right here, and then we can see it. And clicking back, and that's detail very interesting. So now that we saw that, let's see this page as in a phone. So we can see it right here, and an interesting thing is that if you see the menu bar, they get this button that everything is up there. So how it works about us and get started just is gone from the code, and we can access it all from right here. So let me see the rest of the code. We can see it right here, and I close it. So when we click right here, we will see this, and getting started, we get to the login that corresponds to this model right here. And right here is the page, and the other page is right here. So in mobile, it's all okay. And we're now closing it, and we'll log in, and this will take us to the other page. So the other page of the code, right here it is. And the interesting part is that this right here is coming from the API. And this page, all of this also should be infinite scroll. And we can see that. And right here, if you pay attention to the bar, and we get down, we got up right here. So more code just showed up, and it will keep continuing doing this up until all of data from the API is displayed on the screen. And if you are asking about this image is from my portfolio, and I'm getting them from there, and I made them repeat themselves a few times, so that's why the image keep repeating itself, because that's how I put them in the API. So right here we can see that the code ended. Right here is the warning that they wanted. That is right here. And we can also see it from a cell phone perspective. Yeah. And from a cell phone perspective, notice that this bar, the up bar, also shrinks down. And by clicking right here, we can see that the options that they were before are right here. And I made the option that the S is right here, where there is kind of white background to the drop down. So here it is, and by clicking it closes. If you click the white part, it closes as well. So it's like a really nice challenge, and I really like the way that it went up. And you can see that the code adapts itself when depending on the size of the screen. And it is really interesting. And I added extra right here. If you hover over it, the button gets a little clear. Well, I think that's it for this challenge. I might have forgotten to show something that I did, but I'm pretty happy with the way things are. And I really hope that the code was what was expected of me. And I'm glad that how it turned out. So it's a really nice code. The link for this project as well as my social media will be available down below. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.